Dear children, we are going to find out the sum of the roots and the product of the roots for this equation. X squared plus 3x minus 28 is equal to 0. As the coefficient of x square is 1, we can straight away find out the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Sum of the roots is alpha plus beta and the product of the roots is alpha into beta. Sum number 2, x squared plus 3x is equal to 0. This is another quadratic equation. Here also you have to find sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Firstly, we write the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we are writing the given question below the general form. As the coefficient of x square is 1, we are putting 1x squared plus 3x, and there is no constant term, so we are putting 0 for constant term. Now we are going to find sum of the roots alpha plus beta. We all know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x squared. So in the given equation, the value of b is 3 and value of a is 1. So we are putting minus b value is 3 and a value is 1. Therefore, sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3. Next, we are going to find out product of the roots alpha into beta. We know that alpha into beta is equal to c by a, that is constant term divided by coefficient of x squared. So alpha into beta is equal to c by a. The given quadratic equation, the value of c is 0 and the value of a is 1. So we are substituting in the formula, we get 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. Therefore, product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now third sum, 3 plus 1 by a is equal to 10 by a squared. So in order to cancel a squared, we have to multiply both the sides by a squared. We get 3 into a squared plus a squared into 1 by a. Is equal to a squared into 10 by a squared. Next step, we get 3 into a squared plus a square by a. So we get a is equal to, here a square and a squared will get cancelled. So we get 1 into 10 by 1, that is 10. Therefore we are moving plus 10 from the right hand side to the left hand side. So plus 10 will become as minus 10. Therefore we get 3a squared plus a minus 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of a. Now we are writing the general form of the quadratic equation. Now in this sum we are writing it using capital letter A and capital letter B and capital letter C in order to avoid confusion. Therefore capital A x squared plus capital B x plus capital C is equal to 0. Now we are going to find out sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus capital B by capital A. Here the value of capital B is plus 1. That is coefficient of A is 1. So you are putting the value of capital B as plus 1 and the value of capital A is, that is coefficient of A square is 3. So we are putting 3. Therefore we get minus 1 by 3. Next we are going to find out product of the roots. Alpha into beta is equal to capital C by capital A. Here in this sum the value of constant term is minus 10. So we are putting minus 10 instead of C, that is you are substituting minus 10 for C and the value of A is 3. Therefore product of roots is equal to minus 10 by 3 and sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 3. Next fourth sum, 3 into y squared minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is simple sum only. So as usual, what we have to write in the first step, we have to write the general form of the quadratic equation, that is a into x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Instead of x it is given as y. Therefore we know that sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now we have to compare the value of a, b and c with the given equation. So we are putting minus the value of b is coefficient of x in general form and as per the sum the value of b is coefficient of y. So we get minus 1. Therefore instead of b we are putting as minus 1 divided by the value of a is, that is the coefficient of x squared in general form and the coefficient of y square in the given sum, that is 3. Next step, minus into minus is plus, therefore we get 1 by 3. Therefore, sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 3. Next, product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to C by A. Here in this sum, the value of C is minus 4. So, we are substituting minus 4 instead of C. And the value of A is 3.